All right, so here we are at the beginning of SocialFlight's T-51 Mustang build. We've brought the frame in, we've brought the cartons in, and every aircraft build starts the same way, and that is going through the list and doing the unboxing. We've got to get so many small parts, we've got to get them all organized, we've got to make sure that when the time comes that we need a specific part or a bolt or something like that, that we have the ability to simply go and easily grab it. All right, so Jake, Ben, and I just made it through all of the boxes, and we took out all the components. These are actually only some of them. Against the wall we put all of our flat stock of sheet metal, pipes, things like that, all the aluminum tubing that's going to go into different things in the plane, like control surfaces, etc. And again, all of this is just part of the fuselage kit, but some of it is, while much of this is just pieces that are difficult to recognize. Some of them are really satisfying to see, like the tail wheel assembly here, because it's for reals. We've unpacked everything and originally laid it all out, but one of the most important things that you can do when you get started on your kit, one of the most important things that you have to do, is to go through and inventory everything that you have delivered and then organize it in a way that it's very easy and efficient to find things. That's really important because build time is valuable. And one thing that you don't want to do is spend most of your building time looking for things. And that can, with hundreds of parts, that can take up a lot of time and cause a lot of trouble. So Jake here is going through and he's inventorying a bunch of different parts. And Jake, what are you up to right now?
So right now, I'm cataloging the rotor cable kit. So as you can see right here, we're putting it in what we call like the white shelf. So we have white shelf number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And I'm pretty much just labeling where we put each part, each number, and yeah, just pretty much labeling it. So when we have to find the part, then it doesn't take us 30 minutes to find it.
Right. So as you can see, and we've gone and we've organized things here based on the part of the aircraft that we would be working on at any given time. And that's how we've organized what goes in here and what goes in the different parts.